In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a shortcut without deleting the original file in Google Drive. If you've ever worried that removing a shortcut might erase the actual document, don't worry. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to remove the shortcut safely while keeping the real file intact. First, sign into your Google Drive account. Once you're in, take a moment to locate the shortcut you want to remove. Shortcuts in Google Drive are just pointers to files or folders. They don't contain the content themselves. You can usually spot them by the small arrow badge on the file or folder icon. If you're not sure where you saved it, use the search bar at the top or browse through the folders where you normally organize your files. When you found the shortcut, right-click on it to open the context menu. In that menu, click on Move to Trash. Depending on your interface, this might appear as Remove, but it performs the same action in this case. The key thing to understand is that you're only sending the shortcut to the trash, not the original file. The original remains in its owner's drive, in its original location with the same permissions as before. After you click Move to Trash, the shortcut will disappear from your current view. The underlying file is still safe and accessible. If you own the original, you'll still find it wherever you stored it. If it's a file someone shared with you, it will remain in the owner's drive, and you can still access it from Shared with Me or by searching for it by name. Removing the shortcut simply cleans up your folders without touching the actual content. A few helpful tips as you do this. Shortcuts are great for quick access in multiple places. Removing one doesn't affect any other shortcuts that might exist elsewhere. If you change your mind right away, you can use the undo option that appears briefly after the action, and the shortcut will reappear. Also, the trash in Google Drive is cleared after a period of time, but that applies to the shortcut file itself, not the original item. That's all there is to it. Sign in, find the shortcut, right-click, and choose Move to Trash. It's a simple way to tidy up your drive without risking the loss of important files. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to remove a shortcut confidently while keeping the original file exactly where it belongs.